Hello. We got two more codes today from Viral Pole Smell. It's a site that'll definitely get you some traffic. The guy, he's one of the ones that had two sites that were hacked, but the Viral Pole Smell, I think, was the one, was this newer one that was not hacked. So you might not have, it's a fairly new site, you might not have joined it yet. ViralPoleSmell.com. So we'll go ahead and log in to show you the login process. But this is a common script, so if you watch a lot of my videos, you're going to see this quite a bit, the same type of script. Now, the world's not perfect, and marketing is not perfect. So one of the things that's annoying about this script sometimes is getting this CAPTCHA to show up. Because if you click it, it'll say that, but it's like I'm waiting on it, so it's like it's annoying, you know. But the world's not perfect, so we just have to deal with things like this. Let me refresh it, try to get it to come up. But sometimes this is what you have to deal with. I don't know why these owners use these CAPTCHAs that have trouble loading. I don't know. They need to do something, but it seems like they never learn. But sometimes we'll just be sitting here. And it's like, well, hello, guys. I mean, I'm trying to log in. You think I'm... Of course the CAPTCHA is not correct because it's not loading. They really need to fix this. And they have multiple owners with multiple sites and the same exact problem. But some owners have said, I'm just not going to use it. And that's they fix the problem by saying, I'm just not going to use it, since the people setting up the script are not coming up with a better solution. Some of the people just simply don't use this CAPTCHA for this very problem. And there it is, and it's just, you know, it can be annoying. So this is why I like to multitask. Like if I'm waiting on something like that, then I'll do something else at the same time while I'm waiting. That's why I like multitasking and prefer to have a laptop or computer. I use a laptop over a phone because it's just easy to use multiple tabs like this in a laptop or other computer. These login ads do give you some credits as well. I prefer 25 credits or more for logins, but this one's 10, I guess. Right now, sometimes they change it. Different owners of this script will use different. I've seen 25 on some sites. I've seen 5 on other sites, which is silly. What's the point of having a login ad if you're only getting 5 credits? It's kind of silly. 10 should be the bare minimum. Ooh, look at that. I just found there's an extra code, turbo_exclusive. I don't think I've used this one yet. So let me write this one down. So that's where I find a lot of these codes, you know. I'm looking around. Let me just put it here for now. This is where I found the Viral Pole Smell one from today. I haven't seen it anywhere else, but I saw it on login. Now this is for Turbo List Smeller. Okay, but today in Viral Pole Smell, go to voucher. If you have not joined yet, then use this one, Viral Pulse New. This is for some text ads, and this is today. Now, I didn't write down exactly what it was, but this is a good one. This is a pretty good one. I think it has at least one login ad and credits for mailing. So it's got mailing credits and a login ad and some other stuff, banners and text ads, I believe, as well. So whatever you haven't done yet, do it. Here's 3. Viral Pulse New, Viral Pulse Mail-8FE, Viral underscore Pulse Express. So do all of these. By the time you do all of these, you will end up, and I've sent out some mails already, but see, I still have 2,900 email credits left, 7,500 banner text ad credits, 9,500 text ad credits, and I don't have some login ads. But this doesn't show me how many I have. If you do go to login ads, it really doesn't tell you how many you have. You could say create login ad, or you could say login ads. Oh yeah, it is updated now. So I have 4. So I got 4 login ads to run. I haven't run them yet, but I have 4 to run. Let's show some of the traffic. If you click on emails, you'll see some of the that I've sent. Not sure about the value of this interstitial rotator ad, but go to mailer and emails. Yeah, this number here, how many you sent to, how many clicks you got, 17, 15, 13, 11, 15, 11. 125 clicks from 1.5k sent. So yeah, now this is a high click-through rate because it's a newer list. See how in the beginning it's a humongous. See, I was number 19 or about that. And I got 9 clicks on the first one, 47, 25%, 13%, 10%, then 8%, then 6%, then 5, then 6, then 4, but 4 is still a good percent. So right now it's still good, and this was 4 days ago. So yeah, it's still good. It is still good, so sometimes this is disabled, unfortunately, but you could still just, in some sites you can go to email drafts, but for some reason he's got total drafts of 0 available draft as a draft limit. So I just manually enter the ads on this one. But there you go. Let's look at the... If you're already a member, there's that. You might have used this one already, but not do it. And then this is a new text ad. And this one here, Viral Pulse Express, is the new one that I got when I logged in and I just saw it. I haven't seen anyone else promote this one, so make sure you get the Viral Pulse Express, and you'll keep some traffic flowing from in Viral Pulse Mail. So that's it for today. More free traffic for you. Tune in to the next one. I'll have some more.